Labour markets are in chaos. Warehouses, hospitals, factories and hotels, every industry is feeling the squeeze. Businesses can't find workers, governments are under pressure to cut immigration, and the workers themselves burned out and disengaged. The problem? Workforce management is stuck in the past. And whilst AI alone won't fix this, we need a smarter approach, one that blends technology with workplace culture to improve how we plan, adapt, and perform. How do we rethink workforce management before it's too late? I think we need 3 core pillars. Pillar 1 is about planning, scheduling, and optimization. Pillar 2 is about automation and dynamic in-flight adjustments, while the final pillar is about productivity performance, insights, and guidance. The first pillar of a modern workforce strategy is about planning, scheduling, and optimization. Here's the problem. Workforce planning today is too slow and reactive. Employers sometimes overhire, then lay off, or understaff and collapse under the demand spikes. Governments tighten immigration, but local talent pipelines just aren't ready. So AI and culture-driven workforce planning aims to change some of that. AI-powered demand forecasting predicts exactly when and where workers will be needed. Smart scheduling tools are going to balance cost with worker availability and, of course, compliance. But culture matters. AI can't just assign shifts. It must also consider worker preferences, engagement, and flexibility. So the main takeaway from Pillar 1 is that AI-powered planning prevents labour shortages, but only a strong workplace culture ensures workers embrace these tools. In the military, we would have said no plan survives contact with the enemy, and in civil commercial worlds, what we really mean is that no plan survives contact with reality. That's why the second pillar is so critical. It's about automation and dynamic in-flight adjustments. Here's the problem. Plans fall apart fast. Workers call in sick, orders spike, delays ripple through the system. Rigid scheduling collapses under these pressures. Different industries, they're going to feel it differently, right? So in warehousing, trucks arrive late, shift plans go haywire. In healthcare, a hospital faces a sudden ER surge, staff burnout accelerates. Hospitality, a large group could just suddenly check in unexpectedly, stretching the service team. So AI and automation for real-time adjustments is what's required. AI reallocates workers mid-shift to where they need it most. Automation augments workers, handling repetitive tasks so that staff can focus on high-value work. Again, the culture matters. If employees don't trust automation, they'll fight the system instead of embracing it. The final pillar is all about productivity, performance, insights, and guidance. When we're thinking about this pillar, the main problems I see are this. We measure the wrong things. We're tracking hours worked instead of value delivered. Different industries, again, they think about productivity differently. So in warehousing and logistics, we might be focused on faster fulfillment with fewer errors. In healthcare, it's about better patient outcomes, not just efficiency. And in hospitality, it's about higher guest satisfaction, not just faster check-ins. So the AI-driven productivity and workplace insights is about tracking those things that matter. AI tracks real-time productivity trends, not for surveillance, but for continuous improvement. AI-powered coaching helps workers adjust on the fly rather than waiting for annual reviews. But again, the culture really matters. Employees must see AI as a tool for support, not punishment. My takeaway here, AI optimizes performance, but people define success. Culture determines how insights drive action. Governments, businesses, and workers are feeling the pressure. The workforce is evolving, and AI won't replace jobs, but it will redefine how we work. The real question is, will your organization adapt or fall behind? How is your industry preparing for the future of workforce management? The future of work isn't just about technology. It's about how we blend AI, automation, and workplace culture to build smarter, more resilient industries. Let's go ahead and shape that future together. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.